Doodle Enterprise Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think Doodle is just a poll for picking meeting times. The surprising truth is Doodle Enterprise is a full-featured scheduling solution built for teams and organizations to streamline meetings, reduce conflicts, and boost productivity. Doodle Enterprise Pricing is custom, depending on the size of your team and the features required. At its core, the platform offers unlimited scheduling polls, integration with Outlook, Google Calendar, and Office 365, and automatic time zone detection. Enterprise plans add features like centralized billing, team management, branding, single sign-on, and priority support. One of Doodle's most valuable features is its automated scheduling. Instead of emailing back and forth to find a suitable meeting time, Doodle allows participants to select their availability and the system automatically identifies the best slot. For example, a multinational team can schedule a meeting across 3 continents without worrying about converting time zones manually. Doodle also supports advanced integrations with video conferencing tools like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx, automatically generating meeting links once the time is confirmed. It even syncs confirmed meetings to your calendar, preventing double bookings and reducing administrative hassle. Analytics is another strong point. Administrators can see usage patterns, monitor team productivity, and optimize scheduling workflows. This helps managers make data-driven decisions about meeting efficiency and time management. In conclusion, Doodle Enterprise Pricing reflects its focus on team efficiency and enterprise-level control. Whether you're a small business trying to reduce scheduling chaos or a large organization managing hundreds of meetings weekly, Doodle provides the tools to save time, reduce confusion, and keep teams coordinated. Investing in Doodle Enterprise means smarter scheduling, less administrative work, and more productive meetings.